Hello there, welcome everybody. It's Diorama Don here. This is my version of John Bonham's iconic drum kit, circa 1973, something like that. He played a Ludwig green glitter kit, so I found as close representation I could to his green glitter design there. The whole kit is 1/8 scale. I found all the dimensions of everything that he played, that he used at that time, and I worked on a 1/8 scale. So we've got his enormous 26-inch bass drum and his 24-inch ride cymbal, his two timpanis to the side of him there, and of course his massive gong at the back. If I just take that off, you can see at the back there we've got his bass drum pedal, Ludwig Speed King, and his Ludwig snare drum and seat there. Okay, so that's my kit. What I would normally do in a video is show you exactly how I went about making it. Let me just put his gong back. Oh no, I'm not going to get. Yeah, no, yes. I would normally show you how I go about making something like this, but I've covered how I make my drums and all the hardware and stands in the previous two videos. So this video is just a completed item. This is for my own personal collection, and I thought maybe you would be interested. Just as a footnote, in 1969 I was 16 years old, and a friend of mine asked me if I'd like to go with him to London Royal Albert Hall to see a new band. He said the price of the tickets was 50 pence, the equivalent of about 70 cents US dollars. I asked who the band was, and he said, oh, a new band called Led Zeppelin. I said, no, never heard of them. Don't know who they are. So I declined his offer and I never went, and to my biggest regret in life, I didn't see the beginnings of Led Zeppelin in '69. Still, never mind. You get over these things. So this is my version of his kit. If you would like a kit like this, there would be a couple of refinements. The logo isn't quite right, and there's a few little alterations I would make. But if you would like a kit like this, with the 11-inch square drum rise, all the drums, cymbals, timpanis, and gong at the back there, I would be willing to make one for you for £29 or 34 US dollars. It takes me a week to make. So you can see I'm not making much money, but it's just a hobby of mine. So if you are interested, I'd be happy to make a kit for you. If you are interested, let me know in the comments below, and I would make the kit and then arrange for payment and delivery then. Anyway, we can sort that out in the comments. So for £29 or $34, a bargain. It will be plus post and packing, by the way. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. There'll be similar things coming along. You'll be informed when new videos come on. So subscribe and click that like button. And again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again.